Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sweet yogurt. Sweet yogurt is a very traditional dessert in Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and many South Asian countries, especially in Bangladesh. It's creamy, delicious, and really simple to make at home. First, in a pan, I'm adding some sugar and a little bit of water. We're going to melt the sugar and turn it into a caramelized syrup. Keep the heat on medium to low and cook the sugar for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it starts turning into a caramel color, turn off the stove and keep stirring. Use a spoon and keep stirring the sugar syrup so it doesn't burn. When the syrup turns into a nice caramel color, I'm adding some hot milk. Cook it for about 2 minutes so the caramel dissolves nicely into the milk. Now, in another pot, I'm taking some milk and I'm adding this caramelized milk into that pot. We're going to cook this mixture for about half an hour on low to medium heat. Use a spoon and keep stirring so the milk doesn't get burned at the bottom. After cooking for around 30 minutes, I'm setting the milk aside and letting it cool down to room temperature. While boiling the milk, you can add sugar according to your taste to make it sweet. Once the milk cools down, I'm adding some sour yogurt. This sour yogurt will help the mixture turn into a perfect sweet yogurt. Now you can mix it using a spatula, or you can use a stand mixer. I'm using a stand mixer to mix it really well. Once everything is mixed smoothly, I'm pouring the mixture into a pot. Today, I'm using a plastic container and also some small coffee cups to make individual portions. Now, for setting the yogurt, I'm using the stove in my home. I'm preheating the stove at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and once it's hot, I turn the stove off completely. Then I place all the yogurt mixtures inside the warm stove and close the door. We're not going to turn the stove back on. The warm heat inside the stove will help the mixture slowly turn into yogurt. After about 2 to 3 hours, the sweet yogurt is ready. When you take it out, you'll see it is perfectly set, creamy, and really tasty. Follow this recipe and try it at home. You're going to love this sweet yogurt. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.